Hey Stringsters, it's Kathy here today with VirtuallyStrings, and we're coming with another video for fundamentals of violin. As you can see, I do not have my violin, and that's because we're going to take a look at how to read music, specifically the treble clef. Okay, there are four things we want to look at when we're reading music. We want to know the note names, guide notes, direction, and spacing, also known as intervals. Okay, so note names are based upon the different clefs that you have. In this case for violin, we're reading what's called a treble clef. And it's that little squiggly thing that circles around the G note. All right, so for our note names for the treble clef, we have 5 notes and 4 spaces. Again, we will have 5 notes and 4 spaces. And we can actually use that based upon our own particular face. Okay, E, which would be our chin. G would be our mouth, B would be our nose, E would be the top of our eyes, and F would be the top of our forehead. Okay, so E, G, B, D, and F. Okay, we can also remember the acronym Every Good Boy Does Fine. That helps us to remember E, G, B, D, and F. Okay, so for the spaces, that's in between the different points of our facial features. F, A, C, and E. Again, it's F, A, C, and E. And we can remember the space names for the treble clef because it actually spells out the word face. Hence the reason why I did everything around the face. All right, so those are the names. For the guide notes, the 4 guide notes that we need to remember are G, D, A, and E. And we're going to talk a little bit more about those over the next couple of weeks. Then we want to know about direction. Are the notes going up or are the notes going down? Again, are they going up or are they going down? Now, if you notice, as I'm doing the pointing up and pointing down, my voice is either going up or it's going down. And that's because pitch matches the directions that your notes are going. So if your notes are going up, your pitch is going to go up. And if your notes are going down, your pitch is going to go down on the violin. Then the last thing we want to look at is spacing or intervals. The 3 things we're going to learn about are repeats, steps, and skips. Repeats are notes that are constantly played either on the same line or on the same space. Steps are notes that either go one up or one down, either from a line to a step or a space, or from a space to a line. And then a skip is where we just don't play certain notes. Like we might go from a line to line or a space to a space, or vice versa. Sometimes we have greater intervals, which we'll talk more about as we get to those as well. So for right now, we need to learn about repeats, steps, and skips. Repeats, again, are those that go on the same line or on the same space. Steps go from a line to space or space to line, and it's the next note up or the next note down. Okay, and then skips, we skip a note and go from space to space or from line to line in either direction. So again, the 4 things we need to know how to do when we're reading music is know the note names, guide notes, direction, and spacing. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And also, if you have any suggestions on how to read music, feel free to leave those down below as well. As always, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others, and ring that bell down below so you receive notification of whenever videos come out. Have a great day!